Welcome to How to Assemble the 498 SL chair by Eurotech. Here are the parts that come standard in the carton when you receive it. Casters, base, cylinder sleeve cover, cylinder, large and small screw with large and small Allen wrench, back bar, back, seat, arms, and arm knobs. To begin assembling the chair, turn over the base, take your casters, and one by one insert them into the holes on each stem of the bottom of the base. You will continue doing this until all 5 casters are inserted fully into the bottom of the base. You will feel a snapping sound when they are inserted. Once all 5 have been inserted, turn over the base, place it on the floor, take your cylinder and cylinder sleeve cover, place the cylinder sleeve cover over the cylinder, and insert cylinder into the hole in the middle of the base. The seat comes with the mechanism pre-installed to the bottom of the seat. Insert the cylinder to the hole in the middle of the mechanism and push down on the seat cushion until it is secure. Next, we will take the back bar and install that to the back. Make sure that the bolt is facing forward and that the outward word on the back of the bar is facing towards the back. Insert the bar, line up the ratchet back bar that is attached to the back, take the small screw and finger tighten, and then take the small Allen wrench and tighten fully. Once fully tightened, take the back, insert the bar into the slots in the back of the mechanism, take the large screw and finger tighten that into the hole. Take the large Allen wrench and fully tighten it. To attach the arms to the chair, take the arm knob as well as the arm. Please make sure to use the washers, as this will help keep the knob tightened to the bottom of the chair. Insert the arm into the slot, take the knob, screw it in, find the position that is most comfortable for you, in or out, and tighten fully. Do the same to both sides of the chair. And once both arms are installed, you are ready to use your brand new 498 SL chair by Eurotech. To get information on the functions of this chair, go to our how to use videos, and this will teach you how to use all the different functions available on your new 498 SL chair.